Hey guys, I am out in my garage and was thinking about when I started to learn how to hammer things or drill things a long time ago. And hammering is hard and drilling is hard, especially if you put like marks on the walls and you're like, you got to get those marks or whatever, and it sucks. It's really hard to do. So I have a couple tricks for you guys if you want to try them to save your fingers. I've got just a regular screw. So, and this is something I'm working on, but it doesn't matter because it's just for hanging tools. Anyway, so if you have a screw and you're like, oh, I can't get it in because it keeps going to the side or in your thumb, you know, because I've drilled before like this and then the drill's gone into my thumb. Anyway, so here's the easy trick. All you have to do, and I'll pick a different spot. All you have to do is put your screw down or nail. This works for, well, no, don't listen to me, I'm tired. So put your screw there. I am very accident prone. That's why I'm telling you, you have to listen to me on this. So I got my screw in. Now all I have to do is hit it with my drill, or I can go a little farther. I'm gonna take this out first to show you. If ever you have to hammer anything or drill anything and you suck at it like I used to, just put it in your pliers, put it down. You can either hammer it like this, and this is for nails too, this is really heavy, or you can use your drill because you never know. Oops, wrong way. See, that way you don't hurt yourself, because I usually do. My hands are horrible. Anyway, so there's a couple tricks. Either hammer it in, use a tool, and that goes for like on walls too. Like that's, oh, also if you're like gonna hammer into a plaster wall, put a piece of Scotch tape down first, and that'll save your plaster from like splitting and ending up yucky. Anyway, talk to you guys later.